So we got some roof regulations here, which is a different guess, kind of a problem I guess you could get asked about. It says that roofs have to have a gradient of 0.17 to use these asphalt tiles. Um, Otherwise, you're not allowed to use them. So the roof shown below has a width of 7 and a rise of 1.6. Find the roof run, the roof gradient, and there's some part C down there. So first of all, it says the roof has a width of 7. So I guess the confusing part to this one is that 7 goes all the way across there like that. And then the height, the rise is 1.6. So the run is 7 over 2, which is 3.5. All right, so the roof run is 3.5 right there. All right, and then it wants to know what the roof gradient is. Well, the gradient is the rise over the run. You could try to put this into the equation. If you did that, you would have to kind of consider this to right here to be 0, 0. And then this point here would be 3.5 to the right. So x would be 3.5, and then it's up 1.6. So it would be like that. I think that's kind of confusing. I would try to make sure I remember that rise over run is the gradient. It rises 1.6. It runs 3.5. All right. It says that the gradient needs to be 0.17 at a maximum in order for this to happen. So 1.6 divided by 3.5 is 0.457. So 0.457 is the gradient. All right. It says the maximum gradient is 0.17. All right. So then C says determine whether the roof satisfies the requirements for using asphalt tiles. All right. Well, the maximum gradient is 0.17. All right. That is definitely above the maximum. So no, because the slope is larger than 0.17. All right. 0.17 is a fairly flat roof, and this roof that they've got here is fairly steep. So these would not meet the requirements for that question, or for that, sorry, that situation.